All right, guys, I'm trying to figure out this iPad here, and I'm not sure that I can figure it out. But anyways, this is an iPad 7th generation. And as you can see, we have the restore screen where you connect it to a computer and you restore it because there's some sort of software problem. But in this case, I think we have a hardware problem. So basically what was happening with this iPad is it got stuck in a boot loop, and I finally got it into this screen right here, but I have tried multiple cables, multiple computers, old and new, multiple versions of iTunes, and nothing works. I mean, I literally cannot get it to restore, and I've even tried the DFU mode and everything like that. So if any of you guys know what I can do, you're getting the same old errors on every single computer. Basically, you know, restore failed. I'm just guessing there's probably something with hardware on this thing. It's probably toast, but it's just really unfortunate because this is the first Apple product that I've ever had fail. And I've had every, you know, all sorts of iPhones, iPods, Macs, iPads. I mean, I've had dozens and dozens of products. And this iPad 7th gen from 2019, I mean, I guess it's 5 years old now, but still, it's really surprising. So if you guys have any solutions to this, the only other thing I can think of is maybe a third-party software might be able to do it. But, you know, other than that, there's really nothing we can do about it. So let me know in the comments down below if you guys have any suggestions for this thing.